Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to redirect a page on Squarespace in just a few simple steps. First, click Settings in the left sidebar to open the Settings menu for your site. The Settings page loads with a range of configuration options displayed in the center panel. Next, click Developer Tools from the left sidebar menu to access the Advanced Site Configuration options. Now click URL Mappings in the center of the screen to open the Redirect Management page where you can add and edit your redirects. The URL Mappings page opens showing any existing redirects in a list. When you add a redirect, you'll enter the old path in the first field and the new destination path in the second field. Both paths should start with a /. If you need to redirect an old page that's been moved or renamed, use a 301 redirect type to tell search engines the move is permanent, which helps preserve your search rankings. You can add multiple redirects on this page, and they'll all be listed together so you can edit or remove them later if your site structure changes. And that's how to set up a page redirect on Squarespace. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.